we're chasing the soul of smoke. Not just any smoke, but the kind that curls from hand-rolled cigars, steeped in tradition and whispering tales of craftsmanship. Pack your bags, leave your preconceptions at the door, and prepare your palate for a journey. We're diving headfirst into the world of premium cigars, exploring 3 legendary destinations: Cuba, the Dominican Republic, and Nicaragua. Our adventure is about more than just puffs and rings. It's about uncovering the history etched into every leaf, the passion that fuels the rolling tables, and the unique character of each region's tobacco. From the storied factories of Havana to the sun-drenched fields of Vinales Valley, from the bustling streets of Santiago de los Caballeros to the volcanic soils of Esteli, we'll unravel the secrets behind some of the world's finest cigars. Get ready to meet the artisans, the farmers, the aficionados who breathe life into this age-old craft. We'll delve into the heart of cigar culture, where time seems to move a little slower and every hand-rolled cigar is a testament to dedication and artistry. So, light up, sit back, and prepare to embark on a sensory exploration unlike any other. Welcome back, folks, to our channel, where you go before you travel. In this video, we are traveling to the countries for those who appreciate the finer things in life, for those who seek out authentic experiences, for those who understand that a good cigar is more than just a smoke, it's a story waiting to be told. Havana, Cuba. The very name evokes images of vintage cars, vibrant music, and of course the intoxicating aroma of cigars. Here the air itself seems to carry the scent of tobacco, a constant reminder of the city's deep-rooted connection to this iconic product. Our journey begins in the heart of Havana, where legendary cigar factories stand as monuments to a bygone era. Stepping into factories like Partagas, H. Upmann, or Cohiba is like stepping back in time. The air hums with a century's worth of stories, whispered through the rhythmic clatter of chopping blades and the soft murmur of seasoned rollers. Each cigar is a meticulously crafted masterpiece, born from generations of expertise. We watch in awe as skilled torcedores, the masters of their craft, transform simple tobacco leaves into works of art. Their hands, weathered by years of dedication, move with an almost poetic grace, each movement precise and deliberate. The scent of tobacco hangs heavy in the air, a heady mix of earthy, spicy, and sweet notes. It's a sensory overload, a testament to the craftsmanship that permeates every corner of these hallowed halls. As we inhale the intoxicating aroma and witness the dedication etched on the faces of the torcedores, we begin to understand the soul of Cuban cigars. It's a story of tradition, passion, and an unwavering commitment to quality, passed down through generations like a cherished heirloom. Leaving the bustling city behind, we journeyed to the heartland of Cuban tobacco, Vinales Valley. Here, time seems to slow down as we're greeted by a landscape of rolling hills, vibrant green tobacco fields, and traditional thatched roof houses. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a sight to behold, a testament to the symbiotic relationship between man and nature. The air is thick with the scent of fresh tobacco leaves drying in the sun, a fragrance both earthy and intoxicating. We wander through the fields, our shoes sinking into the rich, red soil. Farmers, their faces etched with the wisdom of generations, tend to their crops with a reverence usually reserved for sacred rituals. We learn about the delicate art of cultivating tobacco from seed to harvest. The farmers explain the importance of the soil, the sun, and the rain in nurturing these precious leaves. They speak of their craft with a quiet pride, their words carrying the weight of generations who have dedicated their lives to producing some of the world's finest tobacco. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the valley, we sit down to share a meal with a local family. The food is simple but delicious, made with fresh ingredients grown right here in the valley. As we savor each bite, we listen to stories of life in Vinales, of the traditions passed down through generations, and of the deep connection between the land and its people. It's a humbling experience, a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest. Our cigar odyssey now takes us to the heart of the Dominican Republic, to the vibrant city of Santiago de los Caballeros. Known as the cigar capital of the world, Santiago pulses with a different kind of energy, a frenetic pace that reflects the Dominicans' passionate approach to life and, of course, their cigars. Here, amidst the colorful colonial architecture and the rhythmic beat of merengue music, we find ourselves immersed in a world where tobacco is king. The air is thick with anticipation as we approach our first destination, the renowned Arturo Fuente factory. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a symphony of scents: cedar, leather, spices, and the unmistakable aroma of Dominican tobacco. The factory floor is a hive of activity, a testament to the dedication and skill of the Dominican cigar rollers. We watch, mesmerized, as their nimble fingers transform leaves into perfectly formed cigars, each one a testament to generations of tradition. But our journey through Santiago doesn't end there. We venture on to another legendary establishment, the La Aurora Cigar Factory. Established in 1903, La Aurora is the oldest cigar factory in the Dominican Republic, a place where history and tradition intertwine with modern innovation. The aroma inside is intoxicating, a heady blend of aged tobacco, cedar, and a hint of sweetness. In the Dominican Republic, cigars are more than just a product. They're a source of national pride, a symbol of their heritage. To truly understand the soul of Dominican cigars, we need to listen to the voices of the people who bring them to life. We sit down with seasoned cigar rollers, their hands calloused but sure, their eyes reflecting years of experience. They speak of the tobacco leaves as if they were old friends, describing their unique characteristics and the secrets to unlocking their flavor. Dominican tobacco, one roller tells us, his voice thick with pride, has a special fire, a sweetness that you won't find anywhere else. We meet farmers who have dedicated their lives to cultivating the land, nurturing the tobacco plants from seedlings to harvest. They speak of the soil, the sun, and the rain with a reverence usually reserved for religious icons. It's a partnership, an elderly farmer explains, his leathery face creased with a smile. The land gives us the tobacco and we in turn must care for it with respect. Their stories, filled with passion, dedication, and an unwavering love for their craft, paint a vivid picture of the Dominican cigar industry. It's a world where tradition meets innovation, where skill and artistry combine to create a product that is enjoyed around the globe. Our cigar adventure takes a decidedly bolder turn as we arrive in Esteli, Nicaragua. Nestled in a valley surrounded by volcanoes, Esteli is a city where the earth's raw power seems to seep into every hand-rolled cigar. The air here is different, drier, crisper, infused with the scent of volcanic soil, and a hint of something wilder, bolder. This is a land of contrasts, where the legacy of revolution and resilience is woven into the very fabric of everyday life. And it's in this crucible of history and nature that Nicaraguan cigars are born, full-bodied, complex, and undeniably captivating. We visit local factories, each with its own unique character and charm. The rhythmic clatter of chavetas, the tools used to cut the tobacco leaves, fills the air, a soundtrack to the artistry unfolding before our eyes. The rollers, many of them women, work with a quiet intensity, their hands moving with practiced precision. We sample cigars with names that speak of strength and rebellion, names like Padron, My Father, and Oliva Seri V. The flavors are intense, a whirlwind of pepper, spice, earth, and leather, with a lingering sweetness that speaks of the volcanic soil in which the tobacco is grown. Esteli's cigars are not for the faint of heart. They demand your attention, challenging your palate with their boldness and complexity. They are a reflection of the land itself, fiery, untamed, and unforgettable. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the Nicaraguan landscape, we find ourselves drawn to a place where the worlds of rum and cigars collide in perfect harmony. Flor de Cana, the legendary Nicaraguan rum distillery, awaits. Here, in the heart of sugarcane country, we're about to discover why the pairing of rum and cigars is a match made in sensory heaven. The air is thick with the sweet, intoxicating aroma of molasses and fermenting sugarcane, a prelude to the sensory journey that awaits. We tour the distillery, marveling at the massive copper stills and the centuries-old barrels where the rum ages to perfection. The process is a testament to time and tradition, a slow dance between man and nature that results in a spirit of exceptional smoothness and complexity. As the day fades into night, we find ourselves in the distillery's tasting room, a haven of dark wood, leather armchairs, and the soft glow of amber lighting. A selection of Flor de Cana rums is laid out before us, each with its own distinct personality and flavor profile. And then, the magic happens. We light up a Nicaraguan puro, its bold, spicy notes a perfect counterpoint to the smooth, caramelized sweetness of the rum. The combination is nothing short of transcendent, a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate, each sip and puff enhancing the other.